Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to replace O2 sensor or Lambda sensor in this Audi A3. This is the 1.6 version. And the reason that I am replacing it's pretty easy. I have an error and I have that error for a long time. I stopped this car a few years ago and right now I'm trying to restore it, give it a good condition. A few years ago I faced a problem with this car, and at that time I replaced this O2 sensor for a new one, and at that time I thought that I bought the right one, but it seems that I bought the wrong one, and then I realized that and I bought a right part for this car. So guys, the O2 sensor in this Audi A3 is located right on the passenger side. To have easy access and enough room to show you, I will eject up the car a little bit so I can place the camera and show you how to replace, because it's like kind of easy. Let's go guys. And it's raining. Jesus. So guys, today is a complete different day. I was editing the video with the O2 sensor replacement, but I realized the video was too poor, and I thought, okay, why not try to fix this error? So I decided to continue this video. That's the reason that I am with another clothes and stuff like that. Guys, I was trying to record the VCDS, but I don't know why I cannot just record the main screen. So what I'm gonna do to show you the fault error is I saved the log errors, and I'm gonna show you. Let me. Probably I can capture my computer screen. So guys, from what I read about this error, this could be a problem related also with the fuel pressure regulator, which in my case probably is not, because it's new. But if you want to see how to replace, which is really easy, I have a video showing how to replace it. The O2 sensor should not be my problem, because I already replaced it, not for a new one but for a used one in a good condition. The fuel pressure regulator also is not my problem, or should not be my problem, because it's also new. So I will take a look over this guy over here, because I never clean it, so I will try to clean. So guys, this canister valve over here, I will remove it, clean it, and then I will scan again to see if fixed my problem or not. If it fixed, that's perfect. But if not fixed, I need to continue to search for my problem. So guys, let's go to clean this guy over here. So guys, I made another scan. Once again, sorry, but this thing is not allowing me to record the VCDS scan. But I only have this fault code over here. Probably it's because I just turned off the battery, and I'm doing that all the time, so this is not a problem because I turn on the car and that's okay. Then I will clear this and should be fine. So as you can see, my problem seems to be fixed, which is perfect, and let's go. So guys, as you saw, my problem at least it's fixed. I scanned it again, and now I have another issue related with engine start blocked by immobilizer. Guys, this is probably an error because I unplugged the battery. I'm always doing that because I keep the car at my mother house. I'm not driving the car right now because I'm restoring it. I know that I have this problem for a long time, basically since I have this car. So guys, this guy over here was my problem, so why don't you give a try? It basically don't cost you anything, you just need to clean it. This is really hard to fault, so you don't have to buy a new part, but sometimes it gets dirty as you saw, and just need to clean and your problem should be fixed. If you just came out on my channel for the first time, basically I'm restoring this Audi A3 and fixing everything I can, and my mission right now is to put this Audi A3 back on the streets in a good condition. Of course it's missing a lot of things. And guys, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon, stay tuned.